How you guys doing? Sorry it's a late video. Hold on, let me clean my camera off real quick. See, pretty good. Okay, I'm sorry y'all, I'm using my phone. Alright, we're back with another one. I'm working on a 2015 Honda Accord, 2.4 cylinder. We're doing a clutch. We had a bad snowstorm down here in Memphis, Tennessee a couple weeks back, and a lot of cars were stuck and whatnot, and this was one of them. This was a manual and it was stuck, and the owner tried to get out of the snow and ice, and they burnt up the clutch. Pedal got soft and mushy. It wasn't going gear. Couldn't select the gear. So I'm gonna tell you a quick way to check to see if the clutch is burnt is you'll smell it. For one, this will be the first telltale sign you'll smell the clutch. Second thing is you can just go up under the car. You can go up under the car to where the engine and the transmission mates, and you can pull this cover. That'd be a little protective cover. Like if it was had an automatic transmission, this would be the cover to remove the torque converter bolts. Pull that cover, and you will see these deposits of friction material. Let me see, I can get a good look at it. Alright, you'll see friction material like that. I'll pull something down. You'll see this is friction material. This comes from the clutch or the friction right here. You'll see that, you'll smell it as soon as you get down here. But as you can see, up in there, it's clutch material all in there. Yeah, this thing is fried. So we're gonna replace the clutch and the throwout bearing up there as well. It had actually seized up. It's too dry, so I put it out of the video again. But it's dry as hell, so we're gonna grease that up. We're gonna pull the fork out, clean it up, grease it up, clean up as much of this friction material in here as we can, you know, to prevent as much contamination as we can. And we're gonna put it back in. I'm doing this without dropping the subframe. It's a 2015 Honda Accord. I'm doing this without dropping the subframe. So the engine and transmission is separated, and I have it pushed back just a little bit. So I'm gonna lower it and pull it back as far as I can, and it'll give me enough room to get in there with a 10mm 12-point socket. I think these are 12-point bolts, 10mm bolts. So unbolt those, and yeah. Another thing, the flywheel is gonna turn, so you might want to put a breaker bar on the other end and wedge it in between to stop it, keep it from turning. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rotate, break a bolt free, rotate, break a bolt free, rotate, and thus far free these bolts up so I can take this flywheel and clutch plate off. Alright, I get back to you guys again.